Welcome back to Cabin View Ventures. Today we are going to do some cleanup in front of the garden. Right now it's just a huge mess. We have a pile of mulch. We've got a big pile of dirt over here, and it's just all weeds in front of the garden right now. So the mulch and the dirt we were using as filler for the garden beds. So we don't need that stuff anymore. We're getting ready, we're heading towards winter. So we're just going to clean that up, level this out, plant some grass seed just to get something nicer down here for right now. So here's what we have going on. We've got this leftover dirt. It's really not great for growing grass, but it'll work. It'll be fine for down here. We're gonna just clean this edge up along the front of the garden here. We'll string trim that quick. And then this is some leftover mulch. We're just gonna either blend this in, or I'll go dump it somewhere. I'll see how it all works out once we get working here. And then if you guys saw the last video we did on how to build some nice cedar raised garden beds for cheap. I mean, we build these for between $20 and $30, but we kind of have them laid out where we think they're going to be. So over here is one of the 2-foot by 4 foot boxes we built. We've got two 1-foot by 6 foot, one of the 3-foot by 3 foot boxes, and then back here are 3 more of the 3-foot by 3 foot boxes, and a 2-foot by 6 foot box back there. So if you didn't see that video, I'll put a link to it just above, so definitely check that one out. So we'll go grab the tractor, load up all the supplies we need, and get to work. It's gonna be a hot one today. We got a little bit of shade down here right now, so we want to get this mostly done before it gets too sunny down here. there's only so much you can do with a tractor in a tight space like that. So what you want to do is just kind of get your grade established. You know, we've got a nice slope, you know, gentle slope coming down this way. So the rain will just run off, and the rest we're just going to clean up by hand. We're going to take the rocks and just throw them back here.
Okay.
Any rocks you see, just pick them up. Throw them back there. Yep, good job. Oh man, look at all of them. Here's a bunch. Throw them right back there in the pile for you. There's going to be lots of rocks in here.
Ooh.
That's okay.
I just hit the fence.
Yeah, that's all right. You just throw them back there.
Now look, you see my mouth to lift the big rock.
What?
Look.
Look at those muscles working.
That was dirty.
You don't need much.
Whoa, that's too much.
Okay, listen. Get all down in here. Everywhere there's no grass seeds. Anywhere you don't see any little seeds.
This is crazy. Jesus. God.
Here, get all in here. All right, that's gonna wrap up our front garden cleanup. Just a quick project for this morning. We got everything leveled out, you know, cleaned up really nice, got some seed down, got some straw all over it. So that should grow just fine. It's not gonna be the nicest yard ever, but it's gonna be good enough for in front of that garden for right now. So thanks for sticking around. If you like our content, please subscribe, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. See you on the next one.